here at Duncan Lynch Precision Engineering in Woking in front of a KMWAY machine from Eurospark. Ben, you've been running this for about 6 months flat out, and we're going to talk about some of the challenges associated with kind of getting parts made on this machine to spec, right?
So once familiarising myself with the machine, it was a matter of working out fixturing to hold the jobs to the machine without interfering with the wire, because wiring needs to get into all of these features.
And these are Euro oil and gas parts, just a little aside. These are Inconel parts as well, aren't these? They're quite difficult to machine if you go into.
Very tough material, yes, very tough material.
Absolutely. So this is a difficult thing to fixture, just like you were telling me. What kind of solution did you have to come up with?
Work holding, basically. Machining on the mills, but then being able to do most of the wiring on the wire. So coming up with fixturing to locate, rotate, and achieving all these square pockets and features to finish the job off.
Brilliant. So show me how it works.
So that's the fixture. Those are the features that are already in the job. I locate on the lug there.
Beautiful fit.
Beautiful fit. And then to the table, and then I've got 4 positions, 8 positions.
Amazing. So that's component 1. You've got another one to show us as well, right?
This is the other one. This feature is machined on the mills, so then it was coming up with another similar fixture to locate the job one way.
And there's only one way to put it on as well, right?
There is. That way. And now I've got my holding, all this free space to get the wire in, come in here, and then finish off with that feature on the end there.
Amazing. So that's 2 beautiful fixtures made with some Eurospark work holding on the KMWAY machine. Thank you, Ben.